everyone, so in today's video we're gonna learn about living within your means. So what does living within your mean? Okay, so living within your mean that it would refer to being able to live within your ability to fund yourself, having enough money to fund all of your spending. So this would relate it to having a positive cash flow, not a negative cash flow. Because if you do, you would be in debt, and you wouldn't want to be in debt. And if you do, you wouldn't be living with your dream. So to do this, you need to eliminate the negative cash flow and increase the positive cash flow. Getting a job, such as you would want, getting a job, supplementing your income, spending less, and increasing your beginning monthly balance by saving are excellent way to accomplish this. So it is the best be able to pay for things with cash on hand, having a positive cash balance at end of each month is the way to go. It's the way to get to living within your means. So let's look at some example. So here are some of the example. Okay, I'm very cold, so I'm gonna wear on my jacket. Okay, so yes, I got two examples. Let's look at the first example, which is a bit wrinkly. Great. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit for you guys to see. So yeah, wait for me a little bit. This thing gonna have to go inside here. Zoom in for you guys to see it. I'm bet you can see it right now, which is wonderful. Okay, so for beginning cash, so at the first day of the month, you got $940. You got $940, and yeah, you have positive cash flow because that's when your wage come in. Then you go to Target, and you spend about $214. That means now you are having a negative cash flow coming out of your pocket. Then you got a birthday gift. Yes, that means positive cash flow. It is flowing inside your pocket. But then you go paintballing, and you spend over $120 in that little ball to throw. Then you go to movie theater to watch a movie. You cost $20, not much. Then your phone bill came in. You have to pay $87. Then at the end of the month, you got $999 left in your pocket. Although there is a lot of negative cash flow coming out of your bank account, you still got a lot of money. You still got positive cash flow inside your account. Yes, you still got your money. You didn't lose any of it. So good. So yeah. So this person who's spending this, they would be living within their means because they still have positive cash flow. They're not in debt. So yes, they'll be happy. Let's change a new example. Okay, let's change it into a new example after I put this in. Okay, let's look at our new example, which is this. This one's a bit less wrinklier than the last one. So I hope you can see it like the last one. Okay, so this time they still spent everything the same, but the thing is, they're not they still spend everything the same. Everything they spend is the same as the last example, but this one is different in the beginning cash and the ending cash. So yeah, let's take a look at this to see what is happening. Okay, so at the first day of the month, you receive your money, which is a positive cash flow, which means you got $140. Yes, $140. That's your beginning cash. Then you go to Target and you spend $214. Oh my God, you spend a lot. Now you're in debt. You are having like a negative money. You're having negative cash flow coming out of your pocket. And now in your pocket, you're having debt now. Then it's your birthday gift and you receive some money. Then it's having something like, so you have some money and it's flowing. So you are now having money in it. So you spend all these money and there's only $100 left to help with this debt, and then you receive a birthday gift and that is $100. Now there's money in your pocket. Now there's positive cash flow. So you are going to be like, woo, I have some money in my pocket now. I'm not in debt anymore. So at that time, you are living within your mean. Then you go paintballing and you spend about $120. Yes, you spend about $120. Yeah, but this one is only $100. Yes, it is only $100. So now you're in debt and there's negative cash flow coming out of your pocket. You're in debt now. Then you go to movie theater and you spend $20. You're still in more debt because you don't have the money to pay it. Then there's the phone bill. The phone bill came in and you paid an $87 and you didn't know that in your pocket you are having debt and now you're still more in debt. And at the end of the month, your ending cash is $201. Yes, $201. But this is not the money that you are having right now. This is negative $201. That means you're in debt with the bank about $201. So you have to wait until the next month to receive this money, and maybe you have to work somewhere more to pay for this. And there are also all kind of taxes and all kind of everything. So it's gonna be a big problem. So to do this, to help it, so let's zoom out again. Great. Yes, so let's put this thing off. Great. And I'll stick it back again. Okay, so to live within your mean, you need to eliminate negative cash flow. And you need to increase the positive cash flow. Such as getting a job, supplementing your income, spending less, and increasing your beginning monthly balance by saving are an excellent way to accomplish living within your mean. So if you want to living with your mean, first thing off, you don't want to be in debt because you want to buy things like you like on your own. Well, if you spend too much of the money and you are possibly in debt, maybe the next month you have to pay the debt and you might not have enough money to buy something you would like. So it is the best to be able to pay for things with cash on your hand. So having a positive cash balance at the end of each month is way to go, which is good. Now let's practice, guys. Now let's practice. I'm gonna change my camera to a different. So yeah. So let's practice. What does it mean when you always have a positive cash flow? What does it mean? Okay, my dad is not made it. Okay, I have to change this into an OBS so that you can. This is currently the apps I'm using. Oh, sorry. Hi. Now you can see my face again, which is wonderful. Okay, what does it mean when you always have a positive cash flow? Okay, so A, you're living within your mean. B, you have a negative bank balance at the end of every month. C, you're spending more than you receive. Okay, A, you are living within your mean. So if you have positive cash flow and you still have money in your pocket and you are not in debt, that means you're living with your means. So A, I think it might be the best answer. But let's read the other one too. B, you have a negative bank balance at the end of every month. Okay, you have a negative bank balance at the every month, so that means you're in debt. So you don't want to be in debt. And if you are in debt, you are not living within your means. So, and positive cash flow doesn't have to do anything with a negative bank balance. So B is not the correct answer. C, you're spending more than you receive. You're spending more than you receive. That means you're having negative cash flow. That means you're in debt because you are spending more than you receive. And then you won't be living with your means. And if you are more spending more than you receive, you are not having positive cash flow. So A is the best answer. When analyzing your cash flow statement, which choice would indicate that you are not living within your means? A, every time money goes out of your account, you have a positive cash balance. Okay, so every time money goes out of your account, you are having negative cash flow, not positive cash flow. So, yeah, it's not. But this one, it is asking us not living with your mean. But read again. So every time your money go out, you still have money in it. Yes, you still have money in your account, even though like you are having like negative cash flow, but still you are having like positive cash balance in your account. That means there's still money in there, so that's great. So this one is living with your mean. So A is not the correct answer for this one. B, you always spend less than you receive. Yes, I think B is also right because you see, if you always spend less than you receive, that means you're having positive cash balance in your account. And you don't want to be a negative cash balance. So B is not the correct answer in this question because it's saying not living within your mean. So there's only left C. There are many times you have negative cash balance. Okay, there are many times you have negative cash balance, so that means you're in debt a lot of time, and that means you're not living within your mean. So C is not the correct answer. Again, this is like this board. The same board as this one, which is there. Okay, what can we tell about this person in financial habit by looking at this cash flow statement? Well, we can tell that this person is financially stable. B, this person spend more money that he has. C, this person get more money than he spend. Okay, we know that he have the beginning cash of $114, and at the end of the month, he are having negative cash balance in his account, and he's are currently in debt with the bank. So this person is not a financially stable person, and this person is not getting more money than he spent. This person get more money than he spent? No, because yes, you see, he got only $114 and he spent a whole lot of money here. So yeah, no. C and A is not the correct answer. B it is, because this person spent more money than he has. I mean, like, he spent more money than he have. Even though he is in debt, he spent more than that. So B is not the correct answer. Next up, this example. Okay, this one I think you'll be able to do this yourself because it is so easy after learning about this. Thank you for coming and have a wonderful time.